Hi, my name is Suzy. I'm a customer of ConceptFlooring. My husband and I had a leak in our kitchen that damaged a large part of the floors. We were nervous about the tear out process and what the new floors would look like. We were also kind of anxious about which company we were going to use and what the process was going to look like and how much of a pain this was going to be. We were talking to our neighbors and they referred us to ConceptFlooring. And so we looked up the Google reviews and were really impressed with all of the good experiences. My husband offered his suggestions, and I'm more of the decorator and he's more of the Bob the Builder type. But the samples really helped us make that final decision, and we went in a completely different direction than we would have if we hadn't brought those samples home. When I first walked in and saw the floors for the first time, I was blown away. I was shocked. We've had multiple family members, we've had multiple friends come in, and without saying a word to them, everyone's responses are so similar. Just, wow, your house looks totally different. It looks like a hotel. These home projects, they can be very frustrating, time-consuming, and stressful, and we just didn't feel stressed out at all. From beginning to end, we were pretty floored with how easy and simple the process was.